What is going on, guys? It's I Need Bass. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I am sitting in my vehicle, not this vehicle, my Ford Explorer Sport, and figured I'd sit in here and see what's going on with it. And I've been charging batteries all morning, and I just wanted to come out here and mess around with some tracks that my homie Terry gave me. Thank you so much for it. Let's get into it. Ouch. Man, this is hitting hard. I got it on a massive GTX. What? Jeez. All right, so I know you heard that loud noise. That is not my equipment, I promise. I honestly think it's the sunroof. I feel like it might have been the sunroof rattling. If you guys, I don't really use it, but if you guys have any suggestions of clearing that noise up, let me know in the comment section, because that was kind of annoying. That was very annoying. Let's keep going. All right, guys. Oh my God. Woo! I got it on 15 on the head unit. Probably a third quarter of the way on the bass knob. 46 hertz. Alright, so I'm curious what this massive audio sub is looking like, what it's doing, what it's moving to. So we're back here at the box. Let's turn this camera around. Alright. So the subwoofer bumps, man. Yeah, it definitely does. I got it on a Saya Sundown Audio is a 3500, by the way. If anybody in the comments want to know, I'm super impressed. Like, I mean, other than like my sunroof doing its craziness up there, which kind of sucked, and also, you know, filming on a cell phone, you're never going to see the full effect of what's going on inside my vehicle, unless you had like a different kind of camera or however. But it hit hard. Like it did. It hit hard. I mean, you seen that thing moving. I'm glad I actually got to test out some of the stuff in here. So how about we put a meter on it? Let's put a meter on it. All right, guys, we're gonna do 20 hertz. All right, let's get on to the 30 hertz. And 40 hertz. Okay, so in conclusion, we didn't hit the 140 range, but I felt every bit of the 130 range. Like, for 170 something dollars, you can't go wrong with this GTX sub. Like, it does a wonderful job. Like I'm telling you, it was beating down my rod. It was shaking this, which I found out that if I move the sunroof back a little bit, it won't shatter or chatter as much, you know. But other than that, man, I'm super excited with how everything turned out. It seems like it's really good. I definitely felt it, and I honestly think that people will actually really love this subwoofer. So go check them out. GTX 15-inch massive audio subwoofer. Go ahead and check that out. Siding Bass, signing out. Peace. Let's get it on.